Hey, what is going on? So, today we're going to take a look at another LG air conditioner. I'm not sure if I've already shown this one or not. I found this in my storage unit. I've been pulling stuff out to sell, and this is one of them. It's in really nice shape. It had tape all around the panels, all the bottom, the top, everything, and I peeled all that tape off, and I got to soak the residue with Goo Gone, and it really looks nice now. Almost looks like brand new. Not sure the age of this one. I don't think it's that old. It's a 6000. It is 410A. It was really clean inside there. I mean, the labels and all look like they're new on the motor, and there wasn't a lot of dirt in there. So, anyway, let's turn this on. It runs really nice, too. Now, I'm using my cell phone camera. Because my regular cameras stopped working. The sound gets kind of screwed up on this cell phone camera. That's why I don't usually use it. So you'll just have to bear with it. So this is on low speed. It's an energy saver. I'll just leave it there. So yeah, this runs beautiful. It's very quiet on low speed. It's got the LG compressor. Yeah, I don't remember where I got this. If I got it off the street or bought it at a yard sale, I don't remember. There's medium. High. Yeah, so the fan's pretty strong on high. Whoops. There's low again. It's very quiet on low. See, this is a typical LG air conditioner, like the typical LG air conditioner interior. You know, it's got all that black plastic for the air exchanger and everything. So, there you go. That's a 6000 LG. Unknown date. I'll see you next time.